The Xiaomi 15 Pro, released just last November, is already in for repairs after barely 6 months. The issue? Water damage causing the device to fail to power on. Those familiar with previous water-damaged Xiaomi phones know that leaks often start at the SIM tray. Has Xiaomi improved this in their latest model? Let's examine this Xiaomi 15 Pro. The device, less than half a year old, still looks pristine. The redesigned back panel now features an embedded structure similar to iPhone's assembly method, which theoretically enhances waterproofing. But how did this water-resistant phone fail? Maybe the owner took it too literally. Perhaps he loved cleanliness a bit too much and decided to rinse his phone underwater. As the internet meme goes, water-resistant phones handle splashes, not reckless users. Upon opening the device, the interior appears surprisingly clean with no obvious water traces. The internal layout mirrors previous Xiaomi 14 and 13 models. The camera module remains centrally embedded in the motherboard, which retains its dual-layer design. Main upgrades focus on internal chipsets. Inspecting the motherboard and frame reveals no corrosion, suggesting the waterproofing did protect critical components. Powering it up confirms the motherboard works normally. The startup current is stable. The issue likely lies in the lower section. While the lower board shows no visible damage, Xiaomi 14 and 13 models typically show corrosion around the SIM tray area when water enters. Removing the lower PCB board reveals mild corrosion on the connector, not severe. The SIM tray slot remains the weak point, just like older models. One of the pin positions is corroded quite severely, while the others are okay. Scrape off the electrolyte at this pin position, replenish a bit of soldering paste, and then reinstall this connector. Cleaning the connector. Let's take a look at the connector on the display. There is no sign of corrosion there, since no problem display connector and the problem with the board is also not significant. We worried that the display might be damaged. As a new model, leaving aside the issue of the price, which is surely expensive, whether we can find the parts is still a problem. Reassembling all the parts back. The phone surprisingly boots up normally. The display works fine. Let's reinstall all the other parts and then test all functions. And all functions test fine. Xiaomi's waterproofing has improved generationally. Models like the 13 and 14 mostly contained water damage to the SIM tray area without affecting the motherboard. We'd hoped the 15 series would finally fix this vulnerability. But it appears the legacy issue persists. Though this is the first water-damaged Xiaomi 15 Pro we've seen, we'll continue monitoring this model's performance. If you found this helpful, give us a like and save this video. For phone part and repair tools, visit Teevo.com.